Have you ever been worried about the available information about you? Wishing you could improve, suppress, remove, repair, and monitor them everything online? Don't worry, we can help you with the job in controlling this information through our reputation management. But how does it work? First, we research. We thoroughly search for all the information available that can be used against you and your business. Second, we plan. Our team will fix all negative results that has been found on your name or your company. Third, content creation. Our SEO team will write contents, blogs, and new articles according to the facts we gather. Fourth, we release. We will publish the contents with the right audience and target market for you and your company. And lastly, we promote. We will promote your company the right way. Good reputation is essential in business. It's a drawbridge to hit the target and succeed. To find out more how we can help you, visit us at DeleteMyInfo.com.